It's Craig Lillard with ClipScribe. So I want to give you 3 things that you can do to help yourself feel more confident and look better when you make your video content. Now, making video content may not be something that you feel super comfortable with. So I just want to give you some tips that will help you feel more confident when you make your videos, which will allow you to make more video content. If you're not confident in yourself, if you don't feel good in your own skin, if you're afraid, then you're not going to make as much because you're not going to want to. I get it. I understand. I can be that way myself. Usually for other reasons, because I'm not too shy when it comes to being on camera, but I can find a million excuses to not do it, I assure you. So let's talk about some of these today. So one thing that you can do to help yourself feel more confident when you shoot video content is talk like you're having an important chat with a good friend, okay? Talk like you're having an important chat, okay? Now, I don't mean that you're just chilling out in your, on your couch with your buddy watching TV. I mean, you're having something where you need to communicate a point. You're trying to argue a point. You need them to understand your position, but you're still talking with somebody that you know and you care about. Now, you might have the type of personality that even if you do that, it doesn't come across very strong on camera, but that's okay. We'll talk about that in point 2. But overall, don't feel like you have to perform, because it's really, this type of video content is really not about that. It's not about doing a show, making a movie, acting in a play. It's just about communicating in a way that grabs people's attention, and people want authenticity more than anything else. So relax and talk like you're having an important discussion with a good friend. Another thing that will help you be more comfortable and confident when you create video content is to embrace the discomfort zone, and embrace your discomfort zone, and then spend some time there. What do I mean by that? So I did stand-up comedy for a while, and one of the things that you have to do when you get on stage, whether it's comedy, whether it's acting, you have to recognize that you have got to push things up a notch. You have to take them over the edge just a little bit, or else it's not going to look natural when you're on stage. And so what happens a lot of times, and you'll see this when somebody gets up on stage, is that they will maybe do their normal talking voice and they're not projecting. And it actually, even though that may be normal for them, it doesn't appear normal when it comes across to the audience, okay? And most people that do any kind of performing or acting, and even though, like I said, this isn't that, and I'm not wanting you to take it up to that level, but you just need to amp it up a little bit, project a little bit more than you normally would. Like they said on Spinal Tap, the movie Spinal Tap, take it up, maybe not quite to 11, which is 1 louder than 10, but maybe 1 louder or 1 more animated than you would normally be. Don't be afraid of that, okay? Because it will actually, when you're on camera, it'll make you feel more natural to your viewer. It'll make them feel more comfortable watching you, because it's going to show you as being more confident and comfortable on camera. So something else that you can do to make yourself feel more confident and comfortable on camera is to do what's best for you when it comes to using prompts or scripts or a teleprompter or notes, or, in my case, I have a screen here. I have a computer screen, and I use a slideshow that you're seeing, but it's also helping me. So when it's not on screen for you, it is always on screen for me. And so I use this as my prompt. Now, I'm the kind of person that I'm less comfortable using a teleprompter. I don't particularly want to have a teleprompter where I have to say everything that's on the teleprompter. And that's just me. Some people aren't comfortable off the cuff like this. Some people need a teleprompter and they need something, you know. I don't need that. I would like some notes, but really I don't necessarily even need that. Do what's comfortable for you. Now, I would say if you need a teleprompter, try your best to utilize it as a tool to help you communicate without just reading it straight, right? I mean, none of us are a huge fan of just somebody reading to them, because we don't do that with people in our real lives, and it just seems a little bit disingenuous. So if that's all you can do, that's wonderful. But if you can work at trying to make it feel like you're not reading, even better, okay? That would be the best point to look for. I hope these 3 things have helped you in some way. Let me know if you have questions, comments, put them below. I'd love to hear if you have your own techniques for making yourself feel better on camera or more confident. Did you used to not be that strong at it and now you've improved? What have you done? What can help other people that might be watching this video as well? And thanks for watching, everybody. This is Craig Lillard with ClipScribe, and I look forward to seeing you on another video.